Question is, engineering strain of a mild steel sample is recorded as 0.100%. The true strain is option A 0.010%, option B 0.055%, option C 0.099%, and option D 0.101%. So here in this question, it is given that engineering strain for a mild steel sample, engineering strain is given as 0.100%. So we can write it as 0.100 divided by 100, and we can write it as 0.001. So this is the value of engineering strain. In this question, they have asked the value of true strain too. So we can write true strain as epsilon. Epsilon is equal to ln 1 plus E. So ln 1 plus value of E, we can write 0.001. So ln 1.001. So by the help of calculator, if we will find, so we will get the value as 9.99 into 10 to power minus 4. That means ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा हमारा 0.00099 हो जाएगा ये हमारा ट्रू स्ट्रेन। अब इसको परसेंटेज में अगर हमको लिखना है तो परसेंटेज में इसको हम लोग लिखेंगे 0.099%। परसेंट को जब नीचे लाएंगे 100 लिखेंगे तो फिर से ये ऐसा हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे हमारा ट्रू स्ट्रेन का वैल्यू हो गया 0.099%। सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन सी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर।